Welcome back to my channel. So, hi Cloudarians. Today is a very simple lab you'll be doing with editing files, and basically with this one, we are going to use something called the Vim Tutor. You can you can install it, or I'll show you the process of installing it. So as I always do, my initial part with my console is first to SSH into an instance. So like I said, if you are using the Windows, you have to download what a ppk file. But if you are using the Linux or a Mac OS, or you are using any form of Linux distro, you can go downloading the PIM, then you SSH into it. This is a simple step that I've done over and over again. So the first step, you'll have to change directory into where you have downloaded your particular PIM file. I am using git bash. Then you change mode, that's the shmode 400, then the name of the file, the PIM file you have downloaded. When you're able to successfully do these commands, you should be able to go to the next step, which is about SSHing using the public IP, which you are required to copy during the initial part of this task. So ensure that you copy your public IP address, you SSH with SSH minus I, the exact name of the file, the PIM file, then the name of the instance, and then attach with the public IP address. If you are able to successfully copy this or go on with this, there's going to be a feedback asking you if you agree to SSH remotely into a server. You have to type yes and go into it. So the task 2 brings us to what we are doing for today, that is running the Vim tutorial. So in this exercise, you have to run something called the Vim tutorial. So from your current location in your terminal, you have to enter Vim tutor and press enter. Just enter Vim tutor, press enter, and then you have to install this Vim. The purpose of this Vim tutor is to teach you. It teaches you the basics of how to use the Vim. Basically, a Vim is just one of the text editors for Linux. So for you to use it, that is this Vim tutor. It teaches you how to use it, and you have to install it. To install things in your Linux, or you have to use, we know, the sudo yam, then they install the Vim. So that's what we are going to do here. So sudo yam install Vim. I already had it, so you can download it. You may have to use the sudo to conduct this step if you are not in your root user. So ensure you are in your root user to be able to use the sudo command. So when you've completed with the lessons in this Vim, the terminal should display a command Vim tutor for you. Okay, it's supposed to display a command Vim tutor for you. So let's wait. And yes, and you are supposed to, you can only exit this Vim tutor using something, the command colon q and then the exclamation mark. These are if you want to exit the Vim tutor, because with this it's non-editable. You can see it does not look like the normal Linux that you can use your tab commands. You can only navigate this either using your arrow keys, but to exit a Vim command, you can click on the colon q and then the exclamation mark. This helps you to exit the Vim tutor. Our next task we'll be doing from here is to edit a file inside this Vim. So right now we are in Vim tutor, we are trying to edit, and that is what I'm doing. From the terminal, you have to enter hello world and press enter. You are going to use this Vim to create a file called hello world. Do you get? So in the terminal, there will be a window that is displaying like you're seeing the hello world file in GPG. Now that your file has been created, your hello file has been created, use the Vim to insert a few lines in the text. You can edit inside it. Do you get? So to edit inside the Vim, you have to input the I, the small I, to insert mode, and this enters the following, and you can enter any text you want. So when you press the I, you are in the insert mode. Do you understand? That means you want to make some changes, you want to edit a file. Yes. So the I, you've already saved the hello file, so right now you want to add more lines to your text. You can, it can be anything. You can add your name, you can add a sentence, a paraphrase, a paragraph, whichever you want. But after you input the I, you start typing, it will start inserting the words you start typing. Then once you are done, just press the escape. This will exit you from the insert mode. You press the escape, it will exit you. Then if you want to save the changes in this Vim tutor, you are supposed to use the command :wq. All these commands I'm speaking or I'm talking about are in small letters. :wq. This will help you to what? Save the changes and also quit the Vim file. Without doing this and you just press on the quit, your files or the edited part will not be saved inside your file. So if you want to save and also quit, that's when you use the :wq. Next, type the following command like the vim hello world. You can type vim hello world. You can navigate this vim using the arrow keys. Okay, so yes, you can use the up arrow to bring back the last command you inputted when you were in vim. Okay, so add the following line. I thought if you want to edit or add another line, you press on what's the I. So you can add a line like I this is my added line, anything to ensure that you are making changes, not the old line you inputted. Do you understand? So after this, you should be seeing your first line that you previously entered, the second line that you previously entered. Then you have to what? Save them too. So don't quit, you have to save them using the same one. If you are done with everything, then you can now press on the :Q and then the exclamation mark. If you don't do that and you just press on the quit, you just use the quit command, Vim is not going to save the current editing you did, the input you made. So this is what you should know about Vim. There are certain additional commands you can also use during Vim tutor. You can use the dd, that's the small letters, the dd. You can use the u, you can use the :w. Okay, these are some of the commands, additional commands you can do whilst you are using the Vim. You can also edit a file in nano. There's something called the nano, similar to that of the Vim. I didn't do this here, but you can also try it on your own. So in your main terminal, all you have to type in is nano cloud world and press enter. Do you get? The cloud world, the nano cloud world, is just a text editor for Linux, just like the Vim. So you are using the nano cloud world to also create files. You can do this on your own and let me know the outcome. Our next lab that we'll be doing would have to do with I'll be sharing the updates with you on my X channel if you are there, but there will be more labs with this Linux. Stay tuned to my channel and do well to subscribe. Thank you.